Production.
YouTube, what up? It's your boy Bert Collins. I'm coming back at you with another vid. Tapping in once again. I got another unboxing for you guys. This shoe right here is something, it's a shoe that wasn't necessarily like, I didn't have to have this shoe. When it sold out, it sold out. But I was like, if it ever restocked, I would take the opportunity to try to get it again. And it restocked. So I'm super pumped because I have wondered and I've watched different unboxings on YouTube trying to figure if I really like this shoe or if I'm just hyped up. And like I said, Nike's been doing a lot of restocks and they're going to continue to do restocks until this COVID thing passes by so they can keep up their sales. So if you guys have wanted a pair of shoes, just keep looking out for them because shoes are restocking and they're going to continue to restock. But this shoe right here is the shoe that restocked that I wanted. So let's get into it. But before we get into it, 3 things. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I drop some heat. Bow. We got here the off-white waffle racer. Yes. Now the box has these holes all over the outside. It says nothing on the top. It says a couple different little things on the back. This is a woman's shoe, or a women's exclusive shoe, we'll put it that way. But obviously, this is the thing. It's a women's shoe, but they have both sizes. If you're a man's, you wear a 12. I got a 10.5 in these shoes because they're a little bit narrower, and I have wide feet, so I always go up a half a size in shoes that are a little bit more narrow and flat. All right. Okay. Yeah, I like these. There you go. It's that off-white waffle racer with the green hit on the laces. Like it says off-white on the interior, with the secondary main white laces. And yes, they do say shoelace on them. When I first look at this shoe, it looks like an old school track shoe with some weird type of plastic over the top of it, which actually is where the off-white is actually printed on. It's not printed on the shoe, it's printed on the actual plastic. Look at the tongue. It has that exposed foam. And the back of the tongue. It's a nice shoe. Where's the other shoe? Here's the other shoe. Same thing. This one has the The little tag on it. It's kind of a felt over plastic type feel. I'll be honest with you guys, I kind of like these. This is like some low-key thing right here. Not a lot of people, I think, have these shoes too. I don't know when I'm gonna break these out, but these are fire. They got a little pink and a little lime green going in the sole. See that? Take those out. If you look inside, let me see if this will come out. That's the insole. It's pretty, you know, good padding. Nothing crazy. I like this shoe a lot, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually gonna throw them on feet. I don't know if I'll do like a. Maybe I'll do it on feet. Just a quick one in the room or something. Oh, these are dope. Give me your front view of these. Side view. The rear view. Yeah, I like the way this little lime green hit. Kind of looks like it has, like it's a 3M. I can't tell. Kind of looks like it has a little 3M with the lime woven on the outside of it. I don't know if you can tell. I like these shoes, man. So you know what? I'm gonna throw them on feet real quick. Give you guys some on feet footage real quick. We'll be right back. So now that I got them on feet, these are pretty comfortable. I gotta say I like these. These are for sure gonna be kept. These are a keep for sure. Yeah, I like them a lot, you guys. So the Nike Off-White Waffle Racer. That's the one. It's a keep for me. That is a keep for me. I like these, man. They're really comfortable. Like, they're lightweight. And that cushioning is, it's not like the thickest, but it does really well for this shoe. I like it, you guys. So look, you guys. I appreciate you guys rocking out with me, man. Hope everybody's being safe. I hope everybody's being blessed. It's your boy, Bert Collins, tapping in. And now I'm tapping out.